بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Zone TV. So let's continue our lesson with the part number 2. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Now I am combining these words. Listen me. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك. It is not إياك. Ya has a shad above it. Therefore, إياك. It is إياك, not إياك. نعبد. Ain. Ain, it is equal to ha. It is also throttle letter and recited by the mid of the throat. وإياك. This cough is a soft and light letter. Distinguish it from the other cough, bold cough, which has two dot above it. And nasta'een, there is ya madda, which have to prolong for the two mayar of harakah. And the next is اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. الصراط, صاد را طا, all of three is a bold letter and you have to pronounce it with a strong and the heavy voice. In mustaqim, qaf always a bold letter. Next is صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. In أنعمت, it is not أنعمت. You should not produce a jerk sound on noon. It's only noon sakin. As like أنعمت عليهم. أنعمت عليهم. Next. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. In ولا الضالين, مد لازم, you should prolong it to 4 to 6 mayar of harakah. It means that you should stretch it for 4 to 6 seconds. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay with us for next video.